Okay, uthi umbuzo, was Petunia wrong for coming in hard on the PA that went and bought her necklace for her anniversary as a gift from her husband? Was she wrong for doing that? Did she have any reasons that would make her to go off and insult or threaten, rather, yeah, because she did threaten her, she threatened the PA to the mayor, or maybe there was a backup. It was understandable. So this exactly comes soon after Petunia realized that her anniversary gift, she the Mr. Mayor bought her a necklace, a very beautiful necklace, and then she did not know that actually that necklace was bought by the PA. And then now the PA comes and says that she likes the necklace. She can see that she likes it. She was the one that went and bought it. Then that was like spilling the beans. Now Petunia went and spoke to Rosemary. And remember, this Rosemary of a character was just introduced yesterday just because Mr. Mayor now is a mayor and then Rosemary is part of the political whatever. Now she goes and tell Rosemary that, listen, so there's this girl who happens to be my husband's PA, and then she went and bought this necklace for me. And then in her buying the necklace, I think she was the one that chose it and then gave it to my husband for my husband to come and give me. And thereafter, it happens that now I got to find out through the PA. So now Rosemary says, no, you need to go to Mchelinda Bazake, because remember, the reason why she went and even had the audacity to go and buy the gift is because she probably is sleeping with your husband. Even if she's not doing it now, she probably has the intentions to do so. And you will be sitting here thinking, no, my husband, I trust him. Yes, you can trust your husband, but the person that we don't trust is this girl, because we don't know what is her intention. Fagi petrol emlilweni. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanbanan Abshin Molweni Minjani. Hipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma kurishla tsamisekangi kahle. Looking at the fact that nakho ke lo mlisa lo othengisa what's this konje, the hotel. So it happens ukuthi uyalala laphaya. In him sleeping, I forgot his name, Stan. So Stan, when he's sleeping, there's a voice that is saying goduka, ungasabi uhlala lana goduka. And we all know who the voice belongs to, Uncuka nje, aka Ngizombonisa. Now he keeps waking up and saying, no, I'm a windy, something. And then he realizes, dangerous. There's something that is moving in my blankets. He wakes up, take off the blanket, and then mathi ngapha kombhede athi, ha, aliwana jambila. Little ha. And then bese uthatha isibhamu fast ukuthi uzama ukuthi nthini, mathi uyajikeleza thola ukuthi ijambila lichewo lotuwa. And then he started wakutupa indlu yonke to find out where the snake went to, and they couldn't find it. And he couldn't sleep because, what do you mean? Ndizawulala nenyoka apha mpedeni. What is that? So now, I don't know now at this point if he's going to leave behind the 10 million that he gave to Jackson, or he's going to leave the hotel but still request the 10 million that he gave to Jackson. But it looks like Uncuka is trying to play his tricks, but I don't know if they're gonna work or not, because le nyoka le beyithusa kwamina mangimbona from the screen. Oh, Jehovah. Anywho, so he decided to call people to come and check for the nyoka, and they couldn't find the nyoka because the nyoka was gone the minute he took this bamo. And I'm just thinking, if when he took this bamo and then atubula le nyoka, was Ncuka going to be dead because okay, but anyway, singayilapha. So on the other hand, we find that Martha, she's still doing the sobbing business where she's crying that Ncuka udlale ngathi uyitholile lento ayifunayo, manje ke sesihleli lana, I can't even spend one more day here. And then there was a knock on the door. And when they opened the door, they were happy, thinking that is Ncuka coming to tell them the good news or the way forward, or maybe any update. Then they realized Sisiga Martha walks in and then sit on the bed and said, "Are you okay? You really look terrible. You look like you are very, very sick and you're deteriorating." Atu Martha right way too, and I'm thinking, right way too, uyasela, uyanxila. That time uphuza okokoko and you unesilonda that needs to be nursed and you need ukuthi uphole, but no, into yenza ulinxila. So the sister is like, "Okay, would you mind if I take you home with so that I can take care of you? Because Linda ayilungelanga. Just look at this place. It's not good for you. You are deteriorating and nalinda ohleli kuyo. It's really a very bad space for you to stay in." UJackson athi, "Hayi ke sisi, kuzomela uhambe ungathi ayikho nalento oyikhuluma. Angazi yini oyikhuluma kodwa it looks like ayikho. So ngizocela ukuthi ungiphumele nje uhambe." So at the end of the day, she did not manage to take the sister with. She left alone. So which means that usisi wakho sezohlala laphaya aqhubeka azubuhlungu and keep on sobbing, saying uNcuka into zakhe azisebenzi. uNcuka has been saying that he's gonna help us, kodwa lento le bekayifuna uyitholile, and then now we are like news of the past. Now my biggest question would be that what happens to Usakhile, because he won the election fair and square? Does it mean that unomzane lo uJackson, he's going back to be a mayor, and then Usakhile just taste isihlalo sobukhosi for 2-3 days? What then happens to uPetunia, because now she dropped her work and she dropped umsebenzi wakhe athi yena uyoba umfazi kameya? Is she going to be running back again asking for a job from yazi ndinembuzo emininzi and there are no answers at this point in time? Well, on the other side, we find that Utai team, things are looking halala and they just cannot keep their hands off each other. Unfortunately for Tim, he was then given ukuthi yena he has to stay for 90 days bafowethu angathi manqa. 90 days goes to him and he was not happy about that. Yena bacanga ukuthi nangabe bathandana kanje uyoyithola ishadisi, but then no, he was restricted and I don't know if he will manage to do that. But then he went hotel. Mafika waphuza lapho. I think that looks like him drowning his sorrows because he did not anticipate that coming from Otini. Anyway, Mr. Mayor, the new mayor Usakhile now, got a visit where he was being asked about internship. So it looks like everyone ufuna ukuyeka ehotela because nangabe ufanyana azobuza nge-internship, it means that he's intending to go elsewhere and leave the hotel alone because the management is not doing good. Well, this came after soon after Usten was walking bese uyawa lapha and started shouting at everybody, and it was only his fault and he couldn't see properly. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.